A curious home scientist builds a pinhole camera from a shoebox to reveal real images formed by simple light. They fashion a basic anemometer with cups and a straw to measure wind speed on a sunny tabletop. A set of water-filled glasses tuned to different heights demonstrates how air columns alter pitch in a tiny kitchen orchestra. A transparent bottle held over a warm lamp shows colorful convection currents swirling through the air. Finally, celery stalks soaked in dyed water reveal capillary action and plant-like movement up the stem.